We'll discuss Nifty and Sensex record-breaking highs, ECB's rate cut, US PPI data, and rising oil prices. Plus, we'll highlight key stock movers like Bharti Airtel, steel stocks, and granules. Stay tuned for essential insights on the markets today. This Friday morning, GIFT Nifty is swinging between small gains and losses as traders digest yesterday's strong solid gains. The benchmarks, Nifty and Sensex, have hit new historic high at 25,433.35 and 83,116.19 respectively. The trading theme revolves around markets increasing bets into the narrative that a soft landing in the US is underway. ECB cuts interest rates for second time by 25 bps to 3.5% as expected, after a similar reduction in June. The US Producer Price Index, PPI, rose by 2.4% in August, the same as the 2.4% registered in July. The result came in below Street's expectations of 2.5%. India's retail inflation rose marginally to 3.65% in August, and most importantly, remained below the RBI's medium-term target of 4%. Meanwhile, IIP rose to 4.83% in July. Overnight, WTI crude oil futures rose 3% plus to above $69 per barrel, driven by disruptions from Storm Francine. Bottom line, we suspect Nifty bulls are likely to be again successful in keeping the bears at bay, as uncharted territory should continue to be the new normal. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 7695 crores, while DIIs however sold to the tune of Rs 1801 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher high-low play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is hovering at 13.18 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.63 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.87. Nifty outlook, Nifty will aim to end the week with a bang. Nifty, CMP to 5389. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 25,189 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,300 and 5550. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51772. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 51,025 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,359 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,505 to 500. Bias for the day is positive. Congratulations investors, congratulations India on Nifty and Sensex scaling new historic highs. Most importantly, bullish road seen intact as investors still have reason to be hopeful, with Nifty's immediate goalpost continues to be at psychological 26,000 milestone on backdrop of FOMO attraction at Dalal Street. Now, the stocks which are on the front pages and catching attention. 1. Bharti Airtel is in limelight, scaling new record all-time high on reports that it has expanded its home WiFi service across all the 22 districts of the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Leh Ladakh. 2. Steel stocks are in limelight on reports from rating agency ICRA that the demand for steel was robust in the first quarter of the ongoing financial year, with consumption growing at a rate of 15% on a year-on-year basis amidst competitively priced imports. 3. Granules simply tumbled 16% in yesterday's trade on concerns over 6 observations issued by US FDA for the company's Gagilpur facility in Telangana.